Hi, I'm an old guy and I do maths. The cows and ducks in a field add up to 16. There are 16 animals in the field. The foot count, however, is 52. So if we count all the feet on all the cows and ducks, we get 52. But how many cows and ducks are there? Well, this is a problem that bedeviled me when I was younger. I can't remember how long it really took me to figure out how to do it. But eventually I did. And the problem is that you wind up with two equations. And they don't, in a way, they don't look like the simultaneous equations that you're used to. Let me show you. So the cows plus the ducks equals 16. Now these are the animals. And what that means is that we can say that ducks will be equal to 16 minus c. Okay. Maybe that's useful. Well, in fact, it is useful because we're going to solve this by substitution. But the key thing here is that I must find an expression for the feet. So a cow has 4 feet. So an expression for the cow's feet is 4c, and for the ducks is 2d, and that comes to 52. Now, I might have been able to get that far. I can't remember. But the question is next, what do you do? Well, the answer is that you substitute. You take this expression here and you replace the d with it. Not the 2d, but the d. So you get 4c plus 2 into 16 minus c, and I hasten to add you could do this with c substituting d just as easily. I've just made a choice here, and that equals 52. So I hope that makes sense. Expand this out. 4c plus 32 minus 2c equals 52. A little bit of tidying up, and we get 2c equals 20. So C must equal 10. We have 10 cows. There are 16 animals, so we must have 6 ducks. Well, let's check that. So if each cow has 4 feet, 4 hooves, then 10 times 4 is 40, and each duck has 2 feet. 6 times 2 is 12. We get 52. We've got 52 feet. That is how this is done. And the key is coming up with an expression that you can substitute into this. I haven't tried any other method of doing this. Once I clicked to this, it's a particular type of problem that you'll see from time to time. And what it raises is the point that the real key to solving problems like this is getting the equations right. Getting from here to here is the biggest step. This stuff is just a bit of algebra. Anyway, thank you very much for watching. I hope you found this useful. If you did, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.